We ordered this the Von House 2-in-1 stick vacuum to find out how much dirt our regular vacuum cleaner was missing, and we can't believe the results. This vacuum is seriously lightweight, making it so easy to move around, and it comes with different attachments to tackle every nook and cranny. The suction is strong enough to lift dirt you didn't even know was there, and the removable dust cup makes emptying it a breeze. Ditch the wireless vacuum cleaner that always spends most of its life on charge and go back to just plug in. The wire is nice and long, so you're not constantly unplugging and moving to a new socket. Plus, the extendable handle is perfect for reaching those tricky spots. For just £42.99, grab one and keep your home clean.